Can you believe it? A single piece of bamboo can be expertly crafted into a highly efficient bow and arrow set. Even the remarkable arrow designs are crafted using bamboo leaves. This process is not only remarkably straightforward, but also produces an astonishingly effective result. Let's delve into the fascinating methods used in its creation. Initially, choosing bamboo with an appropriate thickness is crucial, followed by cutting it to the desired length. After cutting, we cut with a wire tool in the middle position, paying attention to the fact that we only need to cut to half the depth and then cut off the bamboo on both sides with tools. Pay attention to the video details. Next, we will further trim the cut bamboo. First, the edge of the bamboo piece is cut into a suitable color with a small fire, and then the bamboo piece needs to be thinned. After paying attention to the details of the video operation and checking that there is no problem, the small fire, in order to build a more accurate shooting, a groove is also opened in the middle of the bamboo. It can be seen that the bow and arrow at this time have been tested in prototype, and the elasticity is also very powerful. Finally, we only need to carve the nose concave grass at both ends of the bamboo and install the bowstring, and the main part of the bow and arrow is completed. Let's dive into the detailed construction of the fitness component. Observations of Xiaohuo reveal the selection of slender bamboo pieces, which are then cut with precision to suitable lengths, and the bamboo nodes are expertly polished to a fine smoothness. Subsequently, let's carefully analyze the straightness of the fitness component and then meticulously adapt one end following the techniques shown in the video to transform it into our arrow. Then we wrap a circle of adhesive tape around the other end of the nuclear vision, and then cut a gap from the middle. Then we trim the bamboo leaves to make a fiber fish and insert it into the gap. The tail is fixed with a tape machine. Pay attention to the video. After the details are wrapped, our fitness production is complete. Finally, let's try the effect. You can see that this bow and arrow is not only accurate in accuracy, but also very powerful and easy. It can shoot into pumpkins 100 meters away. I don't know what you think of this bow and arrow. If you like it, please like it, collect it. See you next time.